Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very beautiful 90s ladies Seiko watch, which as you can see has a very interesting dial. It has this military, let's say field look. As you can see, the hour markers go up to 24, so you have the black up to 12, and then you have the red hour markers up to 24. We have a day date complication, meaning that you can set the day of the week and the day of the month. A beautiful simple gold tone case with this very interesting white dial and red accents. Here we have the screw down back and the model number, so everything is original. We have placed the watch on a brand new leather watch strap, which is red, in order to match these red accents on the dial. As you can see, the watch is ticking. It also keeps perfect accurate time. These 90s or 80s Seiko Quartz watches are very reliable. Seiko Quartz movements are maybe among the most accurate quartz watches out there. So if you want to find more about this model or other watches that we have for sale, make sure to check the link in the description below, guys. We have over 5,000 vintage watches for sale on our website, vintageradar.com. If you enjoyed this type of content, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.